Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by ensuring your data is safe. You will wipe the drive so backup important files now. Once done, create a bootable USB using the Windows Media Creation tool or a Linux Live image. That gives you tools to delete partitions. Make sure the target computer is set to USB boot and disable Secure Boot only if the installer requires it. You're now ready to boot from the installer and move to Partition Tools to remove Windows. Once the installer is running, you can remove Windows partitions directly. If you prefer commands, open Command Prompt and run disk part. List disk, select the drive number, then use Clean to remove all partitions or select Partition N and delete Partition Override to remove protected areas. If you're in the graphical installer, choose Custom Install. Delete each Windows-related partition until the drive shows as unallocated space. Make sure you remove recovery and EFI partitions if you want a completely blank drive. Now create new partitions and format the drive to finish removing Windows. You can create an NTFS partition for Windows reinstall or format to ext4 if installing Linux. The installer will handle formatting during setup. For maximum security, use ATA Secure Erase or a dedicated wipe tool before repartitioning. Once formatted, install your chosen OS or restore a backup. If the system fails to boot, make sure the correct drive is first in boot.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.